Breaking news! Ever wonder what we're doing while you're away? We've got the logs! Today, we're decoding a week of doggy texts. Monday, 9:02 a.m. Sass here. I sent 17 texts in 10 minutes. The squirrel situation in the backyard is officially at threat level red. Wednesday, 2 p.m. I messaged to ask about the nature of the sunbeam on the rug. It is warm, like your love. And also, I'm hungry. By Friday, the logs get messy. Sass wants a gratitude walk at top speed, while I'm texting to confirm the evening snuggle schedule. So if your phone is buzzing, it's probably just us saying we love you, and maybe asking for a treat. Signing off for Terrier News.